Very worried about the growing problems of heart health in India. And today, we are working very closely with OMRON Healthcare to release the best AI combination in the world with the best hardware devices in the world to monitor and manage your heart health at home. KeeboHealth is a combination of OMRON devices, the most reliable blood pressure and ECG devices you can get at home, and the best AI that would monitor your heart health, identify problems before they become a serious issue. Working together, I hope to bring this to every person's home so that they can take care of their own heart, so they can prevent a problem before it occurs. Devices, when used at home and you check yourself with an ECG, your blood pressure, your weight, that information comes to the cloud. And here is a Tricog AI that is able to identify different heart conditions. If there is a problem, we have a medical team that will reach out to you and solve that problem before it becomes a need to come rushing into the hospital. Tricog AI, working with OMRON devices, is your best partner at home to bring the cardiologist right at home that you can make sure you have good heart health. As soon as the devices take the readings and symptoms are inputted, the AI in the cloud immediately identifies problems. And if there is a serious event, our medical team will then reach out to you so that further treatment can happen. Our goal is to prevent unnecessary visits to the hospital, unnecessary admissions, reducing costs, reducing and saving lives. And that is our goal for Tricog. A clinical study, both in the US and India, and what we found was incredible. We were able to increase the optimal medication by over 70%. And as a consequence, the number of visits to the hospital within the first month reduced from 30% to 2%. And at the end of 6 months, which was 50%, it has come down to 10%. And this translates to not just better health for our patients, but it prevents them from coming to the hospital unnecessarily, prevents admissions from happening, reduces the economic toll that the family and the caregivers have for heart patients.
Today, on behalf of Japanese Consul General Nakane, who is out of country now, I am honored to make a few remarks about innovation in the healthcare sector between India and Japan. India and Japan share fundamental values such as democracy, and we also have many historical and cultural similarities. Building on this foundation, the two countries are deepening cooperation in a wide range of areas, including politics, economic cooperation, and people-to-people exchanges. In particular, Japan-India economic relations have been gaining momentum in recent years. Under Japan-India cooperation, various new businesses have been launched across India, and the establishment of bases such as branches and factories is progressing. In Karnataka state only, 234 Japanese companies with 543 bases are actively operating. Many Japanese companies located in Karnataka feel the need to innovate in order to promote their growth. To that end, they are seeking to collaborate with advanced and creative Indian startups. The collaboration between OMRON Healthcare and Tricog Health is a prime example of such a successful partnership. In the year 2023, the two companies began developing a remote heart monitoring service that combines OMRON's home ECG monitor with Tricog's ECG analysis AI, and they have now realized this service. While the number of patients with cardiovascular diseases increasing in India, there is a shortage of doctors and widening health gap between urban and rural areas. Expectations are growing for home vital monitoring and digital health as one of the solutions. Against this background, with this remote heart monitoring service offered by the two companies, patients can take ECG data at home, which is then sent through the internet to ECG analysis AI. And if any abnormalities are detected, an alert is sent to the patient's primary care physician. This is truly innovative.